Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix speakers not working after iOS 17. If you're expressing issues with your iPhone speakers after updating to iOS 17, you can try some troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. So guys, first of all you have to do is check the basics. Make sure that the volume is turned up. Use the volume button or you can go to control center. From here you can select your volume, adjust your volume. After this, then you have to do is ensure that your iPhone is not in silent mode. Check the switch on the side of your iPhone to see if the orange indicator is visible, indicating silent mode. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is simply check audio output settings. Go to your settings, go to sound and haptics. Sorry, go back, go to sound and haptics. After this, then you have to do is adjust the volume slider and check if you hear the sound. This can help identify whether the issue is with all audio or just a specific application. After this, then you have to do is check Bluetooth connections. If you have Bluetooth device connected, disconnect them and see if the issue persists. Sometimes audio may be redirected to a Bluetooth device, causing the speakers to appear as if it's not working. After trying these, then you have to do is update your iOS version. If you get that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17, updates may include bug fixes and improvement. So you have to open your general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings. This won't erase your data but will reset system settings to their default values. So you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. If this still doesn't work, then there will be a hardware issue. If none of the software solution work, there may be a hardware problem with the speaker. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance. So guys, that's all for today. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.